guys, come on in. Today we're making fried kidney beans. I'm just gonna go ahead and add all my main ingredients before I have the beans to start frying. So I'm gonna add the onions. The oil is already hot. This was one whole red onion. This cook for 5 minutes before adding the beans. All right, 5 minutes later, the onions and stuff are well cooked. Now it's time to add the beans. Stir very well, and I'm gonna add all my seasoning and let it fry together. Garlic salt, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon chicken flavor bouillon. I always use 2 teaspoons, don't half, just for the taste, because I know I'll add a little bit more later into the video, like at the very end. I'm going to stir. Stir. All right, let me let this cook for 20 minutes and then I'll come back and do something to it. Yes, guys. Ooh. The reason it's like really soft and like some of it is already like well blended in there. This is the canned kidney bean, so it's like already soft. It's not something that I had to boil. I mean, you can do this to soften it more, but I guess because it's the can, it's already as mushy as I needed it to be. Now let's add the meat. Check out my meat, guys. I have a little bit of water in there from previously boiling it. This is mostly just chicken, dry turkey, and a little bit of fish. So I'm gonna add it in here. That little water is gonna go in there because I need it. That's why I left it in there. If you watch my previous videos on my channel, you will know exactly how I season my meat. But this meat is pre-cooked and well seasoned. Alright. And yes, I love a lot of meat in my soup. Because I'm sure somebody's watching like, wow, that's a lot of chicken, or why so many meat in one pot? The more the merrier. Woo! And I'm not even done yet because I have to add my fish. Alright. This is my dry bony, or let's just say dry fish. It's already cooked, boiled nicely and seasoned, and all the bones came out. I just like it. Oh, this one still have a little bit of bone in there. I just like it in my food, so I usually use it most of the time whenever I cook. I like this smell and this smoky smell of, you know, it on my soup. That's why I always mix it up in majority of my cooking. It has this, I don't know, nice smoky smell to it. Now I'm going to add this is mackerel fish. This was 2. It's already pre-cooked. Some people will fry it, and sometimes I do fry it, but in this video I just steam it up well and season it and then took some of the bones out. It's not one of those fish that really come apart easily. So now, because it is fish, you gotta take your time on how you're stirring the soup. Like I said, we need it to get in there and marinate, but we don't need it to come apart. So, all right, so this is the part where I add the remaining salt. Here's a teaspoon. I'm gonna sprinkle it. Careful with my stirring. I don't want to get my fish all, you know. Believe me, I love a lot of meat in my pot. I'm gonna let this cook about, let's say 15 more minutes and we're good. Because this was the kidney beans from the can, so it doesn't have to be too overcooked. Let's get in there. Look at that. This is the end result. Yes. With my rice. Ooh, y'all like it too. Y'all like it.